What's up, you guys? This is Eric Gardenas here. You guys are here because you're interested in making 1,000 or 2,000 or more every single week from home. I'm about to show you guys some bank proof, some back office proof, and some tax proof that this company is completely legit. I've been doing it over 3 years already, and I do it all off my smartphone. You don't need a computer or any of that. You don't need to be no internet guru or anything like that. I started just like anyone else. I had no idea what it was, and I did it. And now I'm here 3 years later, and this is what I do for a living. So watch this whole video. It's going to explain exactly what I do. This legit company, it's been here for over 80 years already. So watch the whole video and let me know as soon as you're done watching it. If you guys don't believe me after this video that the company I do is real, then I really don't know what to tell you. Alright, so as you can see, I'm logged in as Eric Cardenas. This company pays me every single week. Here's 900, 900, 1,800, 500, 1,000, and this is all on a weekly basis. So you can see it as I'm logged in under me. This company has been legitimate for over 80 years. Here's some bank proof of the same deposits that I've been getting with this company. It's my name right here. 1,800, 1,000, 900, 900, 500. This is on a weekly basis, you guys. And now here's my tax proof. As you can see, 2014. This company is legitimate. You just have to get with the right people. Here's 2015. As you can see right here, 15. And now I got my 2016. Just did my taxes. Eric Gardenas right here. As you can see how legit this really is. I filed taxes. This is all legitimate, you guys. So if you guys are trying to do this, like my video, share my video, and comment information so I could send you all the information. Alright. Like my video, share this video, comment info. Guys, I used to work at Buffalo Wild Wings working 60 hours a week, and now I do this for a living, and I only work, 1 to 2 hours a day just on my smartphone. That's it. That's all I do. It's a legitimate company, as you see. I was just like anyone else. I came across this post exactly like you did. Now I'm here 3 years later still doing it. So if you guys are really looking for information, follow those 3 steps, like my video, share my video, comment info, and I'll get back to you, and I'll see you on my team. Alright,